Hi everyone, and you're very welcome to this video, which is all about pattern. Pattern is one of our art elements, and there I am down the bottom waving at you. So pattern is one of our art elements. So what is pattern? So pattern is a repeated decorative design. So it's repeated more than once, and it usually uses strong shapes and colors. So if we look at the example just here, we can see the geometric designs that are repeated over and over and over again to create this kind of a shape, and it's a zigzag, and it has different types of colors in a pattern as well. So where do we see pattern in our everyday life? We see pattern everywhere. So you can see here in the pictures we have animal patterns, which are the honeycomb bees and zebra stripes, and we have man-made patterns, which are the tiles on our floor, the bricks. And have a look around the room you're in at the moment. Do you see any patterns around you, maybe in the curtains? Look down at your socks. Have you any patterns on your socks today? So now we look at an artist who uses pattern. So this is Albers, and she's born in Germany and lived in America. She's a printmaker, and she uses a lot of pattern in her work. So can you just use the words up here, this is our word bank, to describe Albers' pattern? So we might say that her pattern is repeated. So she uses a lot of rectangles that are repeated. And it's maybe a stripy sort of a pattern. And the colour, there's blocky colours, and they're used and repeated again and again to create a pattern. So now we look at another artist, Yayoi Kusama. So look up Yayoi Kusama on Google to find her polka dot patterns. And she's a really interesting artist that we're going to use in our next task. So this is our task that we're going to do today, our activity, which is printmaking from home. So the list of materials you'll need are cardboard, glue, paint, paper, pencil, and a paintbrush. So once you have all those materials, we'll start the tutorial. So this is our tutorial for printing from home, and we're going to start it now. And this is a really exciting way to do DIY printing at home. So Yayoi Kusama is our inspiration for this printmaking, and we're looking at her sculptures and her polka dots. So now I'm drawing out my designs, which are circles, and I just use a Cheerio box and a roll of toilet tube that I found at the home. So now I'm doing out this spiral shape that we can see in her sculptures, and I'm cutting them all out. So now I need to make the plate for my print. So I cut out a rectangular sheet of paper, and then that's my printing plate. So what I'm going to do now is glue stick down my designs, my pattern designs, onto the printmaking cardboard. And put down a piece of paper onto your surface so you don't get glue all over the table. So that's my final finished printing plate. So then I covered it with some acrylic paint, and I actually didn't put enough on, so make sure you put enough, a good heavy thick layer of paint on so you can print it down. So the colours I chose was a turquoise, a green and a red. Now I'm placing it down nice and flat, and what I'm doing here with my hand is burnishing. So I'm pressing quite heavy onto my plate so that the paint will transfer onto the paper, and you can lift it up just to check it. So I checked mine there and it needed just a little bit more push. So you can see I'm burnishing it again. Make sure you burnish all around the edges and corners as well. And then you lift it up, and there's my pattern. Then I decided to print it again. I didn't put any extra paint on this time. And I'm burnishing it down again. You can see how heavy I'm burnishing it down onto the paper. And I'm lifting it up. So now what I did was I got a Q-tip, which I found in my bathroom, and I decided I'd make some more polka dots and use it as a kind of a DIY tool at home to make some polka dot designs. So now I'm loading up my printing plate, my cardboard printing plate again, with some more thick paint, and I'm deciding where I'm going to put down my print. Then I got my Q-tip out again just to finalize the pattern of the polka dots. And that is my finished DIY printing at home, inspired by Yayoi Kusama. And there's my final finished print.